AI will not take your Agile job, but an Agile professional who knows how to use AI in their job search will absolutely outcompete one who does not. Here is what I mean. AI tools can now help you optimize your resume for ATS in minutes. They can help you identify the exact keywords from any job description. They can help you research companies, prepare for interviews, and generate draft LinkedIn content that you then make your own. The Agile professionals who understand how to use these tools strategically are running a faster, smarter, more targeted job search than everyone else in the market. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that without losing your authentic voice in the process. I'm Abel Mendez, founder of Agile Career Forge. I work exclusively with Scrum Masters, product owners, and Agile coaches, helping them position themselves for the roles and compensation they've actually earned. AI tools are changing fast. Here is what is actually worth your time right now. First, we need to talk about what AI can't do. Before I show you how to use AI effectively, I want to be direct about what AI cannot do, because this is the most important thing to understand. AI generates generic output. When you ask ChatGPT to write your resume summary, it produces something that sounds polished and professional. But it sounds polished in the same way that every other summary it generates sounds. It has no idea what makes you specifically different. It does not know your most important transformation story. It does not know the specific organizational challenge you solved that nobody else could. AI can give you a strong starting structure. It cannot give you differentiation. The best professionals use AI for the mechanical work, keyword research, ATS optimization, research, and draft generation. Then they invest their own thinking into the strategic and personal work. Positioning, storytelling, and authentic voice. That combination is what wins. Keep that distinction in mind as we look at Tool 1. AI Tool 1, Resume Keyword Optimization. Here is the most practical way to use AI for your Agile resume right now. Copy the full text of a job description for a role you want. Paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. List every Agile specific keyword. Rank them by how frequently they appear. ChatGPT will give you a prioritized keyword list in seconds. Then, check your own resume. Check if those keywords appear in your summary, your skills section, and your top 2 job entries. Any gap is costing you ATS points. I worked with a Scrum Master who used this process for a senior SM role at a fintech company. She found 7 missing keywords, including safe program increment, ART facilitation, and dependency management. She added them naturally into her bullet points. Her callback rate on similar roles went from 0 to 2 in the following week. The AI did the analysis. She did the positioning. AI Tool 2, LinkedIn Keyword Research. Most Agile professionals don't know which keywords recruiters are actually using to find them. I am a Scrum Master targeting senior SM roles. What are the most important keywords for my headline and about section? The output gives you search terms to embed naturally. Cross-reference this with target job descriptions for a dual strategy. One important reminder: keywords need to appear in context, not as a list at the bottom. Embed them inside achievements. Keyword stuffing is detectable by both algorithms and humans. Keep it natural. Now let's talk about interviews. AI Tool 3, Interview Preparation. This is where AI genuinely shines for Agile job seekers. Use this prompt before any interview. Ask for the 10 most likely behavioral questions and a framework for answering each using the STAR method. Write your own answers using your real experiences, your real metrics, and your real stories. But you can take this further. Paste the job description and ask, based on this, what organizational challenges is this company likely trying to solve with this hire? That gives you insight into what the hiring manager is actually worried about. Address their real concerns, not just generic points. I've seen candidates completely reframe the conversation. They're proactively connecting experience to the interviewer's actual problem. AI Tool 4, Company Research. Before any interview, ask about the company's agile maturity and technology stack. AI combined with a quick web search gives you a company profile in 5 minutes that used to take 2 hours of manual research. Search for phrases like Agile transformation or safe implementation. You'll find conference talks or LinkedIn posts revealing their journey. Knowing they're struggling with PI planning adoption and having a story to solve it is a massive competitive advantage. AI Tool 5, LinkedIn content drafting. Consistent posting builds your personal brand, but it's often hard to find the time. Use AI for a first draft on a topic like Agile transformation mistakes. Then, rewrite it in your own voice. It takes 15 minutes instead of an hour. The key principle is this. AI gives you momentum and structure. You give it authenticity and specificity. Your stories make people stop. Let me bring this together. Tool 1, Resume Keyword Optimization. Identify every keyword in target job descriptions missing from your resume. Tool 2, LinkedIn Keyword Research. Identify search terms recruiters use and embed them naturally throughout your profile. Tool 3, Interview Preparation. Generate comprehensive question lists and company challenge analyses before every interview. Tool 4, Company Research. Build a deep company profile in 5 minutes that positions you as the most prepared candidate. Tool 5, LinkedIn Content Drafting. Use AI for structure and momentum. Then add your authentic voice and real stories. The Agile professionals who combine these tools with strong human positioning will run a more effective job search than anyone else. If you want help combining AI efficiency with human positioning, book a free 15-minute discovery call. No pitch, no pressure. Subscribe for a new video every Wednesday, built specifically for Scrum Masters, product owners, and Agile coaches. I'll see you in the next one.